This refrigerator, the problem was with the drain line was clogged up. On the first cycle, all the time the water is dripping in
Puro
front of the
Zacatecas.
refrigerator because the drain line was clogged up and the water doesn't go through drain line. I removed the drain line
Drain line 2.
I find some
And this is
debris
the rubber.
inside the
I
drain
think it's
line.
clogged up
I clean up
this area.
and everything working fine after that. And also I replaced the defrost thermostat at the same time. Now it's working fine.
Oh yeah,
After
here you go.
that.
See, this is clogged up. Okay. See? It's dirty.
Okay. Now it's clean. It doesn't have any mess in this side.
Las compañías de apartamentos.
Oh,
Es cada rato renten.
Sí. Okay. The drain line is clogged up with ice, and it doesn't let the water drain to the drain line, and that is the reason it doesn't get it cold on this area. And the problem also is gonna be with this defrost thermostat. I'm going to replace it with a new one. Oh, eso estaba escuchando en la noticia. Okay, it's a new one, and this is the old one. And the drain line is not clogged up anymore. ¿Ah?